Hi, I just got my second farm stand. I'm going to show you how to put it together and why I love it as a system for my clients. So let's get to it. Alright, I'm going to open this up, put together my second LettuceGrow, and go through why I like this product so much. This is not sponsored or affiliated at this point in time of filming, and I've had one for a few months now, love it, and I need a second one. So let's open this up. So what I like about LettuceGrow is, even though it is made out of plastic, it's recycled plastic from water bottles. So you're saving that from the oceans. This is the extension kit. I got the taller one because, as you can see, there's more slots and I can grow more things. Now this, hopefully you can see it, is the base. I'm gonna open it up. And that's it. Okay, so this time around, I ordered 2 dollies because I want one for that one and for my new one. And the reason being, if it's on a dolly, you can spin it around and all the plants, like you see right here on the back side, can then move to the front and get equal lighting. So during the winter months, that's kind of important, especially if you have yours in a position like mine, up against a wall, just for positioning's sake. Oh, this is really nice. It's already put together. I don't have to assemble. Just whoop, like that. I'll go with this one. These are already together. One more. And there's this piece. That's out. Take this, you match it over there. It's kind of hard doing it one-handed. There you go. If this is your first time growing hydroponically, the farm stand is one of the most comprehensive packages that you could do. They even have seedlings that you can buy from them directly, and as you can see, I've got that. You can grow them on your own, but we'll cover that in a different video. For now, we're just going to put these in. And what I like about the seedlings that they've done, they put shade tolerant, bottom level, top level, and you have that symbol right there. You have part A, part B. You need both. And they're separate because if you were to combine them together, they will turn into sludge. So keep them separate. Looks like powder. Just like that. And you'll take a good scoop, just like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And turn the pump on to help circulate the water as I stir. Then here's B. And B looks completely different. These little balls. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, grab this, give it a good whirl. Now that it's been running for a little bit, we're going to test the pH. Comes with a nifty little kit. Fill the water to 5 milliliters, and then you want the test results to be somewhere in between here. Collect the water. 5 milliliters, like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can swish. And it's kind of reading around 6.5. You want it to be 6 to 5.5. Then you take your pH down, and you can see they have all the instructions right here. If your pH is above 6, repeat these steps until the pH is in the target 5.5 to 6. Add half a scoop of pH down using the 5cc scoop. Stir the tank reservoir and rinse the kit and test again. This is what the pH down actually looks like in granules. And of course you get in here and you mix. And you'll want to wait a few minutes to let it circulate, let the pH come down, and then retest. So now we're ready to retest. Sample. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So shake it up and compare. So we're pretty darn close to getting to the 6, but we want to get it really between this. So I'm going to go for a little bit more. So I put 3 scoops in, and it went from 6.5 to almost 6. To go from 6 to 5.5, I'm going to go for another 3 scoops. And as you practice and you know how to adjust your pH, it does get faster, it does get easier. So this isn't necessarily every single time. I might put a little bit more. Because I know that whenever I add water, it will increase the pH. And I know this week we'll add more. So I'm going to put it a little bit more on this at a time. So again, give it a swirl. Wait a few minutes and come back and test. And there you have it. My second farm stand is all set up. You can see why I love this system because it is so easy to put together. And if you have any other questions, please put them in the comments below and I will answer them. Also, if this was helpful at all, please subscribe and come back for our harvest video.